I'm Brooke with Intelligent Concrete. We are doing a concrete ceiling project at my favorite place in the whole world, my house. So we are just gonna roll this stuff on and get it protected for the winter. As you can see, there's a lot of pocks all over here that are just waiting to crack or to pop out once it starts freezing. So hoping to prevent that and get it taken care of. Halfway done and have used about 2/3 maybe of the bucket. My awesome husband helping here, and I hate to admit it, but we really have some damaged concrete that I have not noticed, maybe because I pull into the driveway all the time, but you can see here when you get close, and then even once it's rolled over, all those light spots. So just to show you what we're using, it is Dryway, and that was a recommendation per the boss man John, and it's delivered to your door, so that helped. And then we mixed in some of this clear grip. We just mixed it into the bucket, and we're using a roller to put it on. It's going on super easy, thin consistency, kind of like milk, I would say. And this, like I said, we just mixed right in because here in Colorado it does freeze, get icy, and it's a beautiful day today. Bluebird skies, but it's supposed to snow on Thursday. So we are getting this done just in time for it to set in and dry, and yeah, hopefully it keeps the driveway in, in the best condition, at least in this condition. So as you can see, it's drying really quickly. Yeah, very happy with this stuff so far. I wanted to mention that this concrete was poured about 22 months ago. So it went through one winter cycle so far, and coming up on a new one here. So anyways, as you can see, a lot of it is dry, but there's just spots here and there that are wet yet, and some of it's really, really bad already. And then there's like the sidewalk was a different pour, obviously. A couple different pours in here. After we moved in, we added these steps, so that was a little bit later. All right, we just finished up. That was about 1,500 square feet, and we got it done in an hour. Super easy application. Yeah, anything you want to say about that?
Super easy application.
It's perfect. It went well. Just hoping that it does what it's supposed to and seals it up, and just holds that concrete where it's supposed to be. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt.
Woohoo!